This is the OPPO A57s I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the mobile network category. Onwards, go for the, open the, do not open the SIM card page. You actually can manage it over here at the mobile network page itself. So you can set the preference for phone calls between SIM1, SIM2 and always ask, as well as SIM card preference for mobile data, thus internet, between SIM1 and SIM2. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.